We love our trainers, and there's nothing like hearing from clients who share this sentiment. Here's what Heiserling Foundation shared following a training Jim Ryan conducted with their team. Thanks, Jim, for a terrific training. Good reminders in practice. Thanks for addressing the potential marijuana issue and giving us language to use with our staff. Great to have you back. I recognize our clients invest a lot of time and money in their drug-free workplace education and training. So it's important to me that our trainers deliver the material in an understandable, engaging, relevant way. It has to be meaningful. And this isn't always an easy task to complete. As NAMO Enterprises noted, most people are not excited about coming in on Friday morning to sit through a 1-hour mandatory employee education meeting. That hour could have seemed like 12. Regina engaged our employees, she kept them interested, she brought them into the training and kept people alert. She was a wonderful trainer, and honestly, it did not seem like an hour had gone by. Way to go, Regina. We work hard to be sure that our trainers are the best. In addition to providing them with new and relevant curriculum each and every year, they come together on a regular basis for trainers meetings, a time to discuss emerging drug trends, quiz each other on difficult questions that they bring back from you, and brainstorm new ways to keep employees and supervisors engaged. And the best part for me, our trainers are great people and very dedicated, not only to their profession, but to the subject matter as well. They are absolutely committed to helping prevent the impact of substance abuse with businesses, their employees, and their families. As folks from Parks Drilling Company shared after a training with Allison, you spoke in a way that kept our attention and opened our eyes. You truly added value to what we are trying to accomplish in our organization, and invested knowledgeable and skilled set of safety eyes on every one of our employees. Awesome. Have your own feedback about an experience you've had with Working Partners Trainer? Then share the love by adding your comments below. I'd love to hear from you.